We think every individual body works in the same way, but Ayurveda strongly differs in that. Have you ever wondered why some like salty more than spicy, or some have a sweet tooth? Some like winters more than summers? This is because every one body constitution is different. These are governed by the 3 doshas. So, what is your body type? The body type will be decided by the governance of the 3 doshas that I will explain later on in the video. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Swastham by Dr. Supriya Arora. Do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. According to Ayurveda, the body is made up of 5 elements, that is fire, water, ether, air and earth. These 5 elements governs the 3 doshas. So why are they called doshas? Because they fluctuate. When the doshas are in balance, individual remains healthy, and when the doshas get disturbed, individual becomes sick. So let's take this Ayurveda dosha test that will give you a deep understanding about your personality. Here I am presenting you 10 questions that will help you in finding your body type. You have to honestly answer this. You can take help from your best friend who knows you more or from your spouse. There are 3 options, 1, 2 and 3, and let's see in which category you fall. You can pause the video to read carefully and assess yourself. Let's get started. So, starting from the first question, that what is your body structure? Is it slim? Is it medium body frame? Or it is a large one? Some tends to be overweight. They gain weight very quickly and but difficult to lose. You can choose from any one, 1, 2 or 3. Now, the second question, that is about your skin. Is it thin, dry? Or it is smooth? It gets rashes very quickly? Or it is cold, oily, smooth? Or soft and pleasing? Get a look and see in which category you fall. Moving towards the third question, that is about your appetite. Some have a very irregular appetite. They are fast eaters. Some are very slow. Some have slow digestion. Some have moderate. Some can skip a meal and work without food, but some can't. So, note down whether you are first, second or third. Now, the fourth question, that is about the eyes. Some have small eyes, some have sharp, some have colored and some have black and brown. Some have thick eyelashes, some have don't. So, see in which category you fall, first, second and third. Please pen down. Now moving to the fifth question, that is a very important one, which is about your digestion and evacuation. As we know, many diseases are due to weak digestion. So, some have irregular digestion that causes gas. Some feels constipated. Some have very quick digestion. Some have slow. So, see in which category you fall. The next question, that is about the sleep and the dreams. We have seen many people which have less or interrupted sleep, but they wake up fresh and alert. Some have little but sound sleep, and some have very deep and prolonged sleep. The dreams are also different. Some can be of war, violence and snow or lakes. In which category you fall? Moving towards the 7th question, that is about the physical and the mental alertness. Some people are very hyperactive. They have quick minds, they are very creative, they are highly alert. But some are slow and steady learners. They prefer to sit and do nothing. Some have a tendency towards comparison and competition. So note down in which category you fall, whether it is first, second or third. Now the 8th one, that is emotions. As we know, emotional health is as important as physical health. Some people, they are very anxious. They are nervous and they worry about everything. Some people, they have jealousy but they are determined. They are workaholics. They constantly search for success. Some, they are by nature very peaceful, patient, caring and forgiving. Let's see in which category you fall. Keep watching. You are very close to know your body type. Only 2 more questions to go. Now moving towards the 9th question, that is about walk and talk. Some walk and talk very fast. They are very excited, alert, quick to act. They make a wrong decision with confidence. Some are moderate walkers. They tend to be good speakers. Some have slow walking, slow talking. Their speech pattern may become monotonous. Their gestures are also sluggish. So, note down in which category you fall, whether it is first, second or third. Moving towards the 10th question, that are about the general signs that I have missed in the previous slides. So please check it out. They are general. I have combined it. Some people have joints that make sounds while walking or during any activity. They suffer from mood swings. They have dry tongue. Some people, they have smelly armpits. They suffer from profuse sweating. They have acid indigestion. Some people, they have thick hair. They have plump rounded organs, congestion in the chest or craving for sweets. So, please note down in which category you fall, whether it is first, second or third. I hope you have honestly answered the 10 questions. So, one thing I want to make clear that the first, second and the third numbers that I have given to the characters, they were of doshas. First is of Vata dosh, second is of Pitta dosh and third is of Kapha dosh. Sort these first, second and third you got while checking all the attributes to the best of your understanding. Now check where you scored the highest. Like if you have scored Vataj 6, so that is your primary dosha, and the second highest will be your secondary dosha, that is a second dosha. So your body type will be first the primary dosha and then the secondary dosha. For example, I have given if you get Vata characters is equal to 6, Kapha characters is equal to 3 or Pitta characters is equal to 1, then your body type will be Vata Kaphaj, that is primary and secondary dosha. I hope by now you must be knowing your body type. Please do write me in the comment section if you have any doubts or you can mail me. Let me know in the comment section if you want more videos on each dosha, their disease, lifestyle and eating habits. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned, subscribe to our channel for more videos.